Hello po, ako po si Robin Reyes Ramirez at andito po ako ngayon para i-present po ang aking achieve goals and ang aking personal development. So, simula po tayo sa achieve goals or sa action steps ko po. Ang unang achievement ko po is established solid friendship and network. So, in my teenage years po, napansin ko po na kaya ko po mag-communicate ng maayos, and with this communication skills po, I was able to form friendship po na solid po and masasabi ko pong tunay. Yun po. And this friendship po comes with benefits na rin po. Next achievement I have po is was able to achieve academic honor my whole high school journey. So starting from grade 7 po, I was consistent po with honorship po. So I achieved this po with siguro po with hard work na rin po and natural talent na po regarding learning po. Next achievement po is was able to achieve a physique I can be proud of. So simula po ng 15 years old po ako, I started attending to the gym po, and hindi naman po siya sobrang consistent, pero there were times po na days straight po nag-gym po ako, and masabi ko po may time frame po na napakasaya ko po sa sarili ko pong katawan. Solid po yan eh. Next achievement po na meron ako is, for me, I took to heart the trait of being benevolent and I tried my best to put it into action. So, siguro, in my lens po, and the lens of others po, yung tingin ko po sa tingin ng ibang tao sa akin is, kahit pa paano po mabait eh. So, sa tingin ko rin po sa sarili ko na mabait rin po ako, tsaka I always try to be kind po and help others po when I can po. So, I think this is an achievement for me kasi po I think every person po strive to be better, and bettering yourself is making yourself kinder po. Yun. And yun po. Last achievement ko po is yung pinaka-pinagayabang ko po talaga is I made my parents proud po. By by studying po talaga. Ayun po talaga yung pinaka-aspect po ng buhay ko na may bibigay ko po sa magulang ko, which is making them proud po, and to make use of their sacrifices po. Okay po, ayun lang po yung achieve goals po. Hindi lang po yun, pero ayun po yung pinaka outshining na na achievements ko so far. Next po, we have my unachieved goals. These are obstacles and challenges po. Unang-una po, getting abs. Yon, kahit proud po ako sa katawan ko, hindi pa po ako nagkaka-abs. Feeling ko po kasi yung pagkaka-abs ay siya po yung pinaka top 1 goal po ng mga tao, lalo na po sa edad ko. Okay, sayang po. Next po, actually being the smartest or the top 1 achiever in class. So, kahit pa paano po, kahit hindi ko po sabihin, medyo unspoken na po yun parang may competitiveness po sa room eh. Like, and I was never the top 1 po. I was never that guy po. Kumbaga, may mga mas matalino po sa akin, which is okay lang naman po. Pero, syempre, gugustuhin mo rin na maging number 1. Yun. Number 3, I am still undecided concerning career path. So, hanggang ngayon po, wala po akong alam. Di naman walang alam, pero hindi ko po talaga alam yung gusto ko. Yung alam ko po talagang gusto ko talaga is magkapera lang po. So, rest assured po, kuha po ako ng career na may pera. Okay? Next po, being independent regarding house chores. Simple terms po, medyo tamad po ako sa bahay and hindi ko po kaya mag-isa. And pag iniwan po ako ng magulang ko mag-isa with house chores po, may expect po natin na medyo madumi yung bahay. Yun, pangit po yun. And being successful, syempre po, wala pa po ako dyan. Kasi nga po, unachieve pa siya po siya eh. Medyo, po siya, along the way na po ako. Sana. And it takes time po to be successful. So, hindi pa po ako nag-fail, pero hindi pa po ako successful. Okay, lastly po, for the personal development, for me, the most developed personal trait for me is, pinaka-na-develop ko talaga is may mental po. So, masasabi ko po mental condition ko po right now is okay po. It's fine. And it's being fine with mental health po is perfect po. And siguro po through my years po, through my developments po, I learned to be stoic po. a trait po that that says na control what you can and accept what you can't po. And this trait po helps with my mental po kasi it teaches me na hindi po lahat po ng bagay is in my control po. And it's fine po. It's life and you should let life flow po. So yun po. So yeah, my development for my mental is masabi ko po the biggest one na nag-develop po. Kasi po kung dati po, siguro po malulungkot po ako kasi madami po schoolworks, may shota po yung crush ko. So ayun po. Pero ngayon po, kung masabi ko po ngayon yun, medyo okay lang po sa akin. Masakit pa rin po siya. Pero it's fine po when looking at the bigger picture po. So ayun lang po. Thank you for listening to my achieve, unachieve, and my personal development. Thank you po.